How to extend C drive in Windows 10. Hey there Windows users, running low on disk space on your C drive? No worries, in this tutorial I'll show you how to extend your C drive in Windows 10 without losing any data. Let's dive in. Right click on the Start button and select Disk Management from the context menu. This will open the Disk Management utility. In the Disk Management window, locate your C drive, usually labeled as OS C double dots, and check if there are any unallocated space adjacent to it. If not, you need to shrink another partition to create unallocated space. Right-click on the C drive and select Extend Volume, and this will open the Extend Volume wizard. In the Extend Volume wizard, select the unallocated space that you created earlier. Click Next to proceed. Review the summary and click Finish to complete the Extend Volume wizard. The C drive will now be extended using the unallocated space. Once the process is complete, check Disk Management to verify that the C drive has been successfully extended. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily extend your C drive in Windows 10 to accommodate more data and programs. Enjoy the extra space. Thanks for watching everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.